Go.
What's going on, maniacs? This just came into the mail, and kind of like what I was saying about my Harley build, I had those drag pipes coming in, so I don't really know exactly how they're gonna go on. I know all the hardware is here, but it can't be too hard because there's only 2 pipes. But okay, we're gonna go through and put them on my bike. Bro, look at this. This is gonna be loud. That's everything into my car because I didn't want to keep everything in my house, but anyways, I think if I'm not mistaken, you're just gonna need a basic like set. I got this, janky set from Walmart. Did us just fine. Taking off my OEM exhaust, so I'm sure this will be fine installing these. So I'm gonna go quickly prep the bike, or at least a space to work at it, and then we'll get started. Did happen to my bike since the last time. Okay, so update on my what used to be my future bobber build turned into a touring bike. Change of heart in the way I wanted to set it up. I actually even have like a fairing coming in soon, but so these factory pipes are gonna come off. I now have I have a little suction cup seat, which a passenger can sit on with a sissy bar with a backrest, and I have these passenger foot pegs now on the bike. So this is gonna complete pretty much like the sound of the bike, and aesthetic wise, I personally think those drag pipes look so much better than the factory pipes. All right, so let me just quickly piece everything together, and then let's get started. Inside to go grab change, to go get change, and I opened it because I got excited. I didn't know what it was, but my purple Panda mic came in, so I guess I gotta do kind of like an update on my recording setup, like in my helmet. But yeah, we have a guest. Ram's here.
Yeah.
Say what up.
Well,
All right, so he's taking the pipes out. We're just gonna lay them out on the blanket over here. Look at that. Looks nasty, right? What?
Kind of looks
like toast? Yeah, for the sport bikes.
Yeah.
But that's exactly how it's gonna go on. Remember how we took it off? Like, it's just gonna come out the side. But yeah, so it comes with full hardware. I got the pipes with that came wrapped already. So I guess that helps reduce some of the heat soaking you'll feel. But okay, we're gonna open everything up, and I guess the first thing that we gotta do is remove the OEM exhaust. All right, so first things first, go up to your exhaust, and you got to take off these. So they're not actually the pipes, they're just the exhaust covers, or sorry, they're the heat shields on your exhaust. So you got to take those off. There's these clamps on the side. You could use a, what was that, 8mm? 8mm, yeah. You could use a socket and wrench to quickly zap those off, or you could use a flathead. All right, so just quickly get those off. Oh, loose. When you've taken all that off, you should like loosen them all the way so these actually come undone. And then with a little bit of force, ew, I hate that sound. Oh, there you go. I'm just gonna loosen that side. But this is what the exhaust looks like exposed. Kind of getting some what is it, oxidization or whatever on it, but easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now both of the heat shields are off, so now what you gotta do is you gotta get in through there. On this side it's right over here. Loosen the exhaust flanges from the heads. I think that's what they're called, yeah. So once you do that, you'll be able to like literally just rattle these off. My bike's like pretty new, so there's no like seized bolts or anything, so quickly take them off. Doing it right now, loosening these flanges on the actual thing. Get them off. Okay, this bolt's really awkward to get to, but I mean, just kind of squeeze it through there. It works, it just takes a little bit more time. All right, with both of those bolts taken off, this, oh, it comes off, but yeah, sorry, you got to do that side too. Ram's doing this side, loosen up the bolt, same thing, and then just bracket that both these things are connected to, and then that will come off as well. First problem we encountered, Ram dropped one of the bolts from the exhaust into here, so we got to fish her out with an Allen key. Probably shouldn't be recording this while doing it. Watch this freaking display of
Fished it out, bro.
Chase. Not to record, but you gotta use like a wrench like this to loosen that nut, so then you can remove the O2 sensors. But yeah. Alright, so now both exhausts are open, free and clear. I guess we gotta figure that out, because I gotta figure out how to get it onto the bike. Kit that I got, it looks like these are the adapters for the O2 sensors, so I'm gonna put them onto the pipes first so I can just screw in the O2 sensors. That one's pretty easy to go on. So that has a kind of like an adapter to, so then your O2 sensor could fit in there properly. So just like that, this side and that side now have the adapters on it. All right. Definitely playing this bike here, but on the factory setup, it looks like it has this little ring thing and then the flange or the gasket or whatever. So I'm gonna follow that. So I put this on the end, and then I'm gonna follow this that. Same with the Ram. But this is the most difficult thing ever, getting these friggin' tiny little rings on. Hold on. Almost there. All right, so that's how it's gonna look.
Mine's a little fluffed.
There, Rams is there too. See, the hardest part about that, other than actually tightening down these bolts in the side over here, which I didn't even get a chance to record, was the fitment. But I mean, as soon as we line them up, it looks good. Okay, so okay, over here. Let's record the first initial startup. Where's the key? 1 second.
You want to start the video?
We had to take the damn exhaust off again because I friggin' forgot to put the O2 sensors in, so I'm gonna do this thing all over again. Sick. Tightening down. What?
Cool.
Okay, we're just tightening down the bolts on the actual head one last time. We had to take them off earlier because, you know, forgot to friggin' put the O2 sensors on, so I don't really know what would have happened to the bike. Or what does that do? But pretty sure that's not good. But almost done. Tighten this one down. Seems pretty friggin' tight to me. I feel like the fitment's better this time.
Yeah.
Okay,
those are closer.
Just double check this. And those are on there for sure. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh. Okay, start another video. And the video definitely does not do it justice, but it's loud as hell in person. That's about it. I mean, it took no more than 30 minutes if you knew what you're doing. Like us, we didn't, so it was like an hour. But yeah, there she is. Those are the drag pipes. Probably include some clips of me rolling off with them.
Go.
And with that being said, I think that wraps everything up. Funny thing that I'll tell you guys, I got my drag pipes. I ordered them with this exhaust wrap. Honestly, I probably just freaked out and completely forgot about it. I got scared like crazy when I turned the bike on. I rode around the neighborhood just to get exhaust clip noise. Exhaust noise to make clips out of. It smoked. The reason why it smokes is because it's like a shrink wrap kind of thing. It has to burn first to kind of fuse and mold onto the exhaust, and then now I rode it like a couple times I went to go fill up gas and it doesn't smoke anymore. So I'll toss in a couple of exhaust clips, you know, idle, under heavy acceleration, light acceleration, just so you guys get a gist of it. Honestly, I listened to a couple clips. It doesn't really do it justice, but I'm not gonna lie, I am really happy with how the bike sits now. I feel like those drag pipes really complement it. Looks so sweet. Anyways, till next time, if you guys have any comments, questions, feel free to type it down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody that's out there. If you haven't liked the video yet, like, subscribe, and we'll try and get as much bike content out this season as we can. All right, see you guys soon. Bye bye.